The check hybrid system warning in your Toyota Prius is a general alert that indicates a problem has been detected within the hybrid powertrain system. This warning can range from minor sensor malfunctions to major component failures, such as issues with the high voltage battery pack. The hybrid system consists of several key components that work together to provide efficient power delivery. The high voltage battery pack is the heart of the hybrid system. Older models use nickel metal hydride batteries at 21.6 volts, while newer models from 2022 onward use lithium ion technology. The power control unit manages the flow of electrical power between the battery and motors. This inverter-converter assembly is a common failure point in vehicles with high mileage. The system includes two motor generators. MG1 serves as the starter and generator, while MG2 is the primary drive motor. The DC-DC converter steps down the high voltage to power the car's conventional 12-volt electrical systems. When the check hybrid system warning appears, specific diagnostic trouble codes help identify the exact problem. Common codes include P0AADO for battery replacement, P3000 series for battery modules, and P0A94 for DC-DC converter issues. Approximately 15 to 20% of Prius owners will encounter this warning during their vehicle's lifetime. The issue is most common in vehicles with over 100,000 miles or those that are 8 years or older, with peak occurrence typically between 150,000 and 200,000 miles. Understanding these components and codes helps you communicate effectively with technicians and make informed decisions about repairs when the check hybrid system warning appears. When the check hybrid system warning appears, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to safely diagnose and potentially resolve the issue. First, immediately assess if your vehicle is operating safely. Check for any reduced power, unusual noises, or additional warning lights on your dashboard. If the vehicle is safe to operate, try a basic reset procedure. Turn off the vehicle completely. Wait exactly 5 minutes for all systems to power down, then restart and check if the warning persists. If the warning persists after the reset, professional diagnosis is required. This includes an OBD2 scan to identify specific trouble codes and hybrid battery load testing to assess battery health. Prevention is key to avoiding hybrid system warnings. Maintain your 12-volt battery every 4 to 5 years. Service the hybrid battery cooling system every 100,000 miles, and drive your vehicle weekly to prevent extended periods of non-use. Toyota has enhanced diagnostic capabilities in 2024 models, providing more specific error codes for faster troubleshooting. Software updates can now address some hybrid system warnings through ECU reflashing, reducing the need for hardware replacement. Remember this troubleshooting sequence. Assess safety first, attempt a basic reset, seek professional diagnosis if needed, and maintain your vehicle proactively to prevent future issues.